Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn something very exciting. So far this year, we have been learning that every letter has a name and every letter has a sound. And there's a lot of letters in the alphabet, and we are almost finished learning all of those letters and sounds. But today, we're going to start taking two letters, so two sounds, and putting them together to make a word. And some of the words that we'll be saying today, they're not real words, they're just practice words for us to learn how to read. And as we practice, you'll get better and better, and you'll know the sounds, and you can put them together quickly. And when you know words, you can read stories. It's so exciting. So let's go over some of the sounds today that we're going to practice. The first sound that we're going to practice is this one. This is the letter A. And what sound does the letter A make? Ah. Or it makes the sound A. But today we're just going to stick with ah, like apple. And I'm going to put it right here on the board so everybody can see. Then the next sound we're going to practice is this one. What is the name of this letter? E. What's the sound of E? Eh. Eh. So we're going to put that here. Actually, I'm going to put A here, E here, ah, eh. The name of this letter is I. And what's the sound of the letter I? I. I. So now we have ah, eh, I. What is the name of this letter, boys and girls? Ah. Look, even my mouth is almost in the shape of an O. Ah, 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 eh, I, ah. Then the last letter that we're going to practice right now is This is the letter U, and it makes the sound like you have a tummy ache. Okay, so I'll put it here. Now let's practice these sounds one more time, because these sounds are very important for our lesson today. Ah, and watch my mouth. It'll help you practice too. Ah, eh, I, ah, One more time. Ah, eh, I, Now, the other letter that we're going to practice is this letter. What's the name of this letter? L. And the sound of L is L. So stick your tongue out. L. Then we're going to practice putting two sounds together. So watch this. Ah. Ah. So say each sound, ah, and then we say it a little bit faster and we kind of slide them together. When you go down the slide, you go really fast and smoothly, right? So now we're going to make kind of a slide between the sounds. La, la. So this says la, la. We just take these two sounds and slide them together. La, la. So now let's move the letter L down and we'll practice eh, eh. But that's a little bit rough. Eh. Now let's slide it. Le, le. That says le. Now let's go down, move the letter L down. L and I. I. Say it with me. I. Now let's slide it. Li. Li. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, now let's go on to L and O. What's the sound of L? Ah. Ah. Now slide it together with me. La. La. Now we'll go down to the last one, L and U. The sound of L is the sound of U is Now slide it. La. La. So this is la, le, li, la, and la. So today we are going to practice reading these books. And I have sent your mom and dad a picture of a page that looks like this. And at the top it says L, L is in the sound of lamp, lamp. And so what I want you to do on this page, you can print it out. If you can't print it, you can just look at your phone or your computer. Practice the sounds of A, E, I, O, U first. A, E, I, O. Ready? Try it again. A, E, I, O. And then what I want you to do is say the sound of each letter. L, A, La. L, E, Le. L, I, li. L, A, la. L, la. And then you can practice reading. See all of these words? Now they're mixed up on this ladder. So your mom or dad can point to a box and then you have to read the 2-letter word. And then what I want you to do is send me a picture of you, not a picture, send me a video or an audio message of you reading this part, okay? And then I will talk to you soon. Bye, boys and girls.